Who was the first Gupta king to issue silver coins? Second Chandragupta. Which city was founded by Kempe Gowda in 1537? Bengaluru. How many years did it take to complete the Taj Mahal? 22 years. Who published the first English newspaper in India? James Augustus Hickey. When was the Battle of Plassey fought? 23rd June 1757. Pulakeshin II belongs to which dynasty? Chalukya. Name the author of the book Virasolyam. Buddhamitra. Who was the last ruler of Delhi Sultanate? Ibrahim Lodi. Who introduced railways, telegraphs, and postage in India? Lord Dalhousie. Who was the ruler of the Kingdom of Mysore? Tipu Sultan. Who among these was a famous disciple of Saint Ramananda? Kabir. Where was Chhatrapati Shivaji born? Shivnar. Where was the World Religious Congregation held in 1893? Chicago. Who was considered as the father of Indian prehistory? Robert Bruce Ford. Which battle took place on 14th January 1761? Third Battle of Panipat. Where did the Aryans first settle in India? Punjab. Who described the Indian Rebellion of 1857 as the first war of independence? Binayak Damodar Savarkar. What was the language in which Buddha preached? Pali. Who was the founder of the Mughal Empire? Babur. On which river bank Harappa was located? Ravi. Which Gupta ruler is known as the Napoleon of India? Chandragupta. Who was the first Portuguese governor in India? Francisco de Almeria. When was the Colonial War fought? 261 BC. The first railway line in India was laid between Bombay and Thane. Who declared the practice of sati illegal and punishable? Lord William Bentinck. Thank you.